Welcome to our all-in-one business platform. Whether you're in real estate, catering, financial services, cleaning, or any other industry, our platform is designed to elevate your marketing efforts and streamline your operations. From boosting your brand visibility to managing day-to-day tasks, we tailor our solutions to fit your unique needs, helping you grow your business and reach new heights. Let's dive in and explore how we can make it happen. Let's kick off with one of our best features: free, fully customizable websites with every plan. Choose from a variety of themes tailored to your business type, all designed to reflect your unique style. These websites are fully responsive and come with custom forms and live chat to enhance customer interaction. It's everything you need to create a professional online presence, and it's all included for free. Now let's check out the CRM software. It's super user-friendly and comes in both desktop and mobile versions. In the Contacts section, you can store an unlimited number of contacts. You can send SMS, emails, check payment history, notes, and appointments. It's an organized way to manage your clients, making it easy to keep everything in one place. You can also use tags to further organize your contacts based on your needs. This is our advanced calendar, where you can easily keep track of your daily schedule. You also have the option to sync other calendars, Google and Outlook, so you don't have to juggle between different apps. You can even create more than one calendar, and there's no extra cost. Here's the opportunity section, where you can manage and monitor all your pipelines. We'll build fully tailored pipelines to suit your business needs, giving you complete control over your sales and operations process. This section is designed to help you stay on top of your leads, close deals efficiently, and keep your business moving forward. Now let's dive into payments. Our platform lets you integrate with any payment provider that supports API, including popular options like Stripe and PayPal. Once everything's set up, you can offer your clients fully automated payment options, whether it's one-time payments, monthly subscriptions, or even special promotions like coupons and discounts. It's all about making transactions seamless and hassle-free for both you and your customers. Next up is the Social Planner. You can manage all your social media platforms in one place, create posts, schedule them, and save on costly tools like Hootsuite. If you're looking for high-quality branded posts and want to boost engagement, subscribe to our premium plan, and our team will ensure your platforms grow organically. Now, let's talk about one of our most powerful features: automated Google reviews. In this section, you can easily manage both your Google and Facebook reviews. It's all automated. After a client's visit, just tag them for a review, and they'll receive SMS and email requests along with follow-ups. This single feature can help you grow your business tenfold if you use it effectively. Our platform is packed with possibilities. Whether it's managing multiple landing pages, affiliates, automated chatbots, or live chat, you can do it all from one place. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today for a one-on-one call.